Hello, YouTubers. I have a problem, and I'm not quite really sure what's wrong with this. There's a Great Circle wood chipper. I just got it about a year ago. It did become clogged at one time. I had to take this part off and clean the stuff out of the shroud. The blade. But now it smokes for some reason, and it's like some kind of bluish looking smoke. And I don't know if it's messed the ring up or something, or just something simple. I'm gonna crank it up and let it run for a minute and see if anybody out there knows what's going on with it. And there you have it. That's what it does. Can't really use it in the yard like that. Smokes everybody out. So if anybody out there knows what could be wrong with it, please let me know. My name is Donald Craddock.